Jury chosen for Navy SEALs war crimes trial, opening arguments on Tuesday. San Diego Reuters opening arguments are set to begin on Tuesday in the trial of a U.S. Navy SEAL court-martialed on charges of murdering a wounded Iraqi prisoner and shooting unarmed civilians, a war crimes case that has drawn the attention of U.S. President Donald Trump. A jury was selected on Monday in the trial of Special Operations Chief Edward Gallagher, City News Service and the Fox affiliate in San Diego reported. Gallagher, a 39-year-old career combat veteran, has denied all the charges but could face life in prison if convicted in the trial arising from his 2017 deployment to Mosul, Iraq. The platoon leader is charged with murdering a wounded, helpless Islamic State fighter in his custody by stabbing him in the neck, and with attempted murder in the wounding of 2 civilians, a schoolgirl and an elderly man shot from a sniper's perch in Iraq. He maintains that fellow SEAL team members in his platoon, who turned him in and are testifying against him under grants of immunity, are disgruntled subordinates who fabricated allegations to force him from command. Details of the jury were not immediately available. A Navy spokesman, the proceedings in a military courthouse at U.S. Naval Base San Diego are due to last 3 weeks. The prosecution's case rests crucially on the SEAL team members' testimony, as there are no bodies or crime scenes from the Iraqi war zone. Names and other prosecutorial misconduct. The opening of the trial was postponed several times by a lengthy round of proceedings to deal with defense allegations of prosecutorial misconduct. Gallagher's lawyers sought dismissal of the charges after learning that Navy prosecutors had electronically tracked email communications of defense lawyers without a warrant, ostensibly to pinpoint the source of material leaked from sealed case files. The presiding judge, a Navy captain, ultimately removed the lead prosecutor from the case and freed Gallagher from pre-trial confinement. The judge also granted defense lawyers a potentially valuable edge in jury selection, the right to reject, with no reason given, 2 more potential jurors than they otherwise could exclude through the use of a peremptory challenge. Before he was released from custody late last month, Gallagher had been ordered restricted to base at the nearby Naval Medical Center San Diego. Trump said last month that he is considering pardons for a number of military service members accused of war crimes, and Gallagher's case was believed to be one of those under review. The prospect of presidential clemency seemed heightened by last month's appointment to Gallagher's defense team of Mark Mukasey, one of Trump's personal lawyers. Gallagher's lead civilian attorney, Timothy Parlatore, has said his client has not sought a pardon. Reporting by Marty Graham in San Diego. Writing an additional
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.